Hello everyone, and welcome to Miss Adams's online courses. So I'm going to give you an introduction to all the different things that you need to know to be successful in my class. If you have any questions at the end of this, be sure and give me a call. Thanks. This is the Moodle that we're going to use for our class this semester. And so all the Moodles for the different classes look pretty similar. And the major points that you will need to know are that up in the right-hand corner is where you would find the coursework that you need to complete. For every class, you'll start with the Start button, which you've all pushed to get to this video in the first place. So, if at any point you need assistance with your work, you click on the Tutoring button right here, and it takes you to a calendar where you can sign up for time with me so that we can work on assignments together. You're always welcome to call me and make arrangements as well. In the middle here are buttons and links to things that you will probably use regularly. The Start Here button, of course, you're using right now. Your school Gmail. Your Meet Live button here is what takes you to our e-conferencing area through Elluminate. And that is where we would have any kind of tutoring session, meeting online, for study groups, or live events. And then finally, PowerSchool, anytime you need to reach there. And all of the things below that are things that you'll probably use regularly. Over here on the right is where you will find information about me, as well as information for your parents. If they are checking the Moodle, which is always open to guests, then they can go click on Parents Corner to find out what the latest news is. One of the resources that you'll use throughout the course is the home of the Teaching Jedi. Now, Teaching Jedi can be found at www.teachingjedi.com, and it's my website where I hold all the resources that you need for the course. This is not where you would find your assignments. That's in the Moodle. But here you would find other things that you need for the course, or there are often things from the Moodle that are linked into the Teaching Jedi website. But if at any time you are not where you can access the Moodle directly, or you can't remember how to access it directly, you can go to teachingjedi.com and you'll find not only my contact information here, but links to the Moodles down here as well. One really important thing to notice about watching your grades in PowerSchool is that the S1 column is really all that you need to be looking at. Because for online classes you can do things in different order, or the due dates are flexible and can always be made up, it isn't really fair to look at the Q1, Q2, E1, or E2 views. And the reason for that is that those things are all used for eligibility, which is important, especially if you're in an extracurricular activity. However, if at any time your Q1, Q2, E1, or E2 grades are lower than your S1 grade, that would be because you've done something in a different order or gotten behind in one section because you were working on a different section. So what I would do is I will override any of those grades for your S1 grade. So whichever the grade is higher, that's the grade that you're going to be focusing on. So, parents and students, it's important to notice that S1 grade is where you need to look to find out your accurate grade as it currently stands. And the final topic for this section is pacing guides. Now, a pacing guide is basically, as you'll see here, a list of assignments and a list of due dates on which those assignments are due. We use these for eligibility purposes so that we can keep up with whether or not athletes, or not just athletes, but those excuse me, who are participating in extracurricular activities are keeping up with the course and completing a reasonable amount of work in a reasonable amount of time. So, pacing guides can be personalized. If you are going to be on vacation, or you have another schedule that you like to personally use, then you can copy this format, and I have instructions for that on how to copy this file and create your own, which you would then share with me so that I would know when your due dates are planned. So you are not limited to the due dates that I have set. And so it's just a guideline. It's a way for us to know. Those of you who are participating in extracurricular activities, you will be held to this guideline, though, in the sense that you are required to do this number of assignments by that date. As to which assignments they are, that can change. All right, thanks so much.